Good day everyone. I am Aubrey Lampang from BAM 1A, and today I will discuss the important role of science and technology in society, particularly in education. Education has evolved beyond traditional blackboard and textbook into the fast-paced digital learning environment driven by science and technology. These advancements have made learning more accessible, personalized, and engaged. Through online platforms, students from remote areas can attend quality classes, while tools such as artificial intelligence and interactive application help adjust lesson based on individual learning style. As a result, students are no longer passive learning but active participants in their education. However, despite its many benefits, technology in education also present challenge. The digital divide remain a major issue as not all students have equal access to device and reliable internet, which can dip in social inequalities. Excessive screen time may also affect student health, focus, and overall well-being, while over-reliance on technology can weaken essential skills such as critical thinking and problem solving. Therefore, while science and technology are vital to modern education, they must be used responsibly and ethically to ensure that all students benefits and reach their full potential.